Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of your advert being rejected on Facebook. As you can see here, it says ad set errors. Then when you click on the ads and then you see rejected. Then when you come and hover here, you click on go to business home. Then it takes you to the business home. So you see a list of the policies you have violated. These are just some of the policies violated. But normally, the specific policy violated is supposed to show here. It's supposed to show here. If it doesn't show here, you can check here. You will see some of them. Then come back to the ad manager and do this. When you come to the ad manager, click on edit. Then come to the ad level. Under the ad level, they will tell you exactly why they rejected your advert. So you see what they are saying now. It looks like your ad promotes products for sexual arousal or contains sexual content. This goes against our advertising standards on health and wellness policy. So to know more about this one, you just click on this, and then it will take you to the interface where you will be able to learn about this policy and know exactly. So you see, when you click on it, it will tell you to read full policy. So when you come here, they will tell you, you can read all the policies and understand what you are supposed to do that you did not do, or at least what the policy you infringed upon. And so when you come to the Transparency Center, you see a lot of the policies. Let me just show you the link for the policies. You click here, you go to Facebook Community Standard. We have the Meta Advertising Standard. So you click on this one. Good. So these are the full policies, okay? So now, what they were exactly trying to say, I just want to show you so that you understand and know what to do. So I'm going to go back and come again so that you can understand the policy in detail. So you see, this is what they are saying. It looks like your ad promotes products for sexual or arousal. And so this is what we have to do. Look at the ad creative. The ad creative, you have to check and find out what exactly is in that ad creative that is against their policy. And then also look at the primary text. The primary text is the description on top. So I'm going to go to the page. This is the page. So when you come to the page, I have one product called Libido Booster. Okay, Libido Booster. So let me just show you. This is it. Libido Booster for women. So as you can see, it says increase sex drive, female libido booster, and all that. So they are against this policy. This is the policy the advert has infringed upon, or the advert violates. So once the advert violates this policy, it will not run until I remove that picture. So in order to solve it, what I just have to do is to remove it, then save it. And if you want to remove it and save it, and it's a post, this is what you have to do. You have to come back. You have to come here, and then once it is a post, if you don't delete it at the ad level, it will not succeed. So you come to the ad level, click here and delete it. Then you go back to the post, then remove the picture and save it. Then you come back and now insert the post again and publish it, and it will be approved. So you have to look depending on whatever ad campaign you are doing. Even if the policy is not about health, whatever the policy is about, you have to make sure that you understand what you have infringed upon or what you violated. If you don't check and study and understand the policy you have violated, then you will not know what change to make. And at the end of the day, your advert will still stay rejected. If you are able to follow, read, and understand what they are saying and make this necessary change and publish the advert again, it will be approved. If you follow this procedure, your advert will be approved. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video for other more powerful videos. Once again, thank you for watching. You can leave your comments in the comment section. You can also follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us if you have any problem and you need our help. and we will come to your aid. Once again, see you in the next video. Bye.